What is going on, beautiful people? I hope and pray that you all are just doing incredibly, incredibly well. Today, I'm going to be brief and I'm going to be to the point. Okay. Listen, if you are relatively new to real estate investing and you are not closing deals, you are not getting deals, or if you're just getting started and you haven't gotten a deal, I guarantee you this. It is because of one of these three things. I absolutely guarantee this. Okay. Now, when it comes to real estate investing, you need volume, consistency, and follow-up, period. That's it, okay? This isn't rocket science. This isn't anything extreme, right? But you have to have those three things point blank and simple. I want you to put this in the comments below. Volume, consistency, and follow-up. So many times, I have new investors that are getting started and they tell me, hey, Clifford, I hadn't gotten a deal and it's been like 30 days. And then I say, okay, let's break this down. What have you done? Right? And then they start talking about, well, I sent out 7 postcards, right? I put out 3 bandit signs. Like, come on, we need volume, okay? We just need it, right? Think, for example, whenever we were cold calling, we would cold call hundreds of people a day, like hundreds of people, right? Just to get a handful of people to answer the phone. You need volume. When we're doing our MLS outreach, just so you know, we're sending out 250 offers every single day. Every single day. As the time right now, as I'm recording this video, have offers going out 250 a day, right? You need to be talking to at least 30 to 40 agents every day. So I need you to sit back and say, hey, am I simply doing enough volume, right? And then there's the consistency aspect of it, right? Like if I go to the gym one day a week and I give it every single thing that I got, right? Squatting, I'm benching, I'm deadlifting. All that's gonna probably happen is I'm gonna very, very sore. There's not that level of consistency. You typically are gonna wanna go to the gym multiple times a week to start seeing active results, to actually start seeing the transformation. The same thing applies here, right? You need to be doing this consistency. Don't tell me that you called 10 agents, but you only did it every other week, right? Like you have to find that. And then lastly is the follow-up component. Not every single offer that you make right now, that seller is going to be ready to sell or that offer may not work. I would venture to say that 90% of our actual contracts and deals come from the follow-up. It is actually rare that I'm going to have what's called a one-call close, meaning I'm going to send that offer and then instantly they're going to be happy with it. They're going to be ready to go, right? That is actually rare for us. So you need to make sure that you're having these 3 components if you want to, number one, get deals and then do deals consistently, okay? And this is probably one of the biggest mistakes that I see new investors making. And I have personally coached well over 5,000 people, and that is not an exaggeration, okay? Literally, I have personally coached more than 5,000 people break into this industry. And that is the biggest bottleneck that I see from so many new investors, okay? So as you're getting going, I really want you to spend time this week and ask yourself, am I hitting these 3 things? Am I doing the volume? Am I staying consistent? And how am I doing my follow-ups, right? If the answer is no to any of those, or you notice a gap, then we need to work towards filling that gap. And once you have those dialed in, now we can start to get deals done consistently, all right? So I pray this was helpful. I just wanted to come on here and plant this seed for y'all. Have an amazing day, having a beautifully blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.